close. See, 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 see.
Okay, I have a rant. So I experienced something today that on 21 separate cruises to Alaska, have never ever come across. And it flabbergasted me, and it angered me, and I'm still angry at this point. So let me explain what happened. There are certain times where certain things are acceptable and certain things are not acceptable. If you're on a cruise to Cabo and you play, Caribbean music or Mexican Spanish music or any kind of music on your balcony and it's a party atmosphere, that's acceptable. If you're in a natural, peaceful, environmentally protected area like Glacier Bay, Alaska, it's not okay to blare music on your balcony. What's wrong with you? There's a couple things. First off, it is so calm and peaceful out here listening to the birds. You can hear just the very slight whisper of the waves being pushed away from the boat, from the ship as we're going. You can hear whales spouting from a half mile to a mile away. So you know to get your camera ready to shoot the whales as they get closer to the ship or as they're off in the distance. You can hear those kind of things. You can hear people 6 decks below go, otter, seal, mountain lion, goat, whatever they're yelling at. You can hear them and everyone rushes to that side and hear. Today, all we heard was this. Now keep in mind, my camera is inside my stateroom, looking out the balcony. The microphone is on the camera, so that noise is in the balcony to the right of me. I'm trying to listen to nature, but that's all I hear. Not only that, we then get to the glaciers, and we're trying to listen for the cracking, the cracking of the glacier, which is a telltale sign that a piece is going to fall off. You're hoping to catch that on video. You're hoping to catch, the glacier. And just listening to the glacier crack and echo off the mountains is great. My first time through here, we heard all kinds of huge booming cracks. Parts of the glacier falling into the water. It was spectacular. It was beautiful. What did I hear?
It is a bird. Get cut on the see, it's come so close. See how close it's come.
साइड में
छोटो बच्चे आगे राइट
वीडियो है ना कि ऑन करना वीडियो चल रही है.
So needless to say, I wasn't very happy. And I told the people beside me that I wasn't very happy. They didn't seem to care too much. I am just so frustrated with some of the people on this cruise. So rude and ignorant to your fellow passengers. Blaring your music like that in this setting, in this location, like you're the only ones in the world. But hey, don't worry. They turned down the music when they wanted to do a 10-second Instagram shot. An Instagram story. You can hear, hi there, we're here, hi, and then the music goes back on. Literally 12, 13 seconds. Everyone else, people down below us were looking up at our room, and they moved. they had to move because all you heard was them. And I am so frustrated with that. So my first cruise to Alaska here, on the way down northbound, I had the idiot touching people's food, licking his fingers and touching the bread. Now I have idiots beside me playing music in Glacier Bay loudly on their balcony like they're the only people in the world. Can you feel the frustration in my voice? Glacier Bay is the highlight of the cruise. And these people beside me were ruining it for everybody on this side of the ship. Everybody. We started out down below. There must have been 40, 50 people below me on the lower deck. 15 minutes after these people were playing their music, there was maybe 2 or 3 left. They all moved to the upper deck and forward on the ship so they didn't have to listen to this person. It's frustrating, and I hope I never become that person. I hope I'm never that rude to other people. It's just very frustrating and very disrespectful of other people around you. And I'm seeing a lot of that. I've never wanted to climb over a balcony so much and throw something off of it as I wanted to throw their boombox they had on their balcony. Unbelievable. Well, am I wrong, guys? Let me know, because I think that's being disrespectful to people. Let me know what you guys think. Am I just being insensitive? People have the right to do whatever they want on a cruise. They're paying their money just like I am. I could be in the wrong. If everyone tells me out there I'm in the wrong, I'll admit I'm in the wrong. But honestly, I think one of the good things about cruising is 99% of people out there are great and very respectful of each other and help each other and have fun with people. And it's those 1% that can just ruin your day and ruin everybody's day. And I think I have them beside me in my cabin. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel vlogs, and maybe the odd rant or two, I still have 5 days left of the cruise. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.